A brown and bright element X, when reacts with in the presence of air, turns into black substance Y. So if hydrogen gas is passed over this heating material, gas X, not gas X, element X is obtained again. So what are X and Y? First thing, we need to understand any bright element we are talking about and in the presence of air. So the elements that come into our mind is either a metal or non-metal, right? So it's forming a black substance. Most of the non-metals, when they react with, you can say, oxygen, so they are forming oxides. And most of the non-metal oxides are gases. I'm talking in the general front. So we have to, you can say, decode this question, right? That's why I'm talking over here. So let's not talk about non-metals because most of them are gases, non-metallic oxides. So let's have a view that it's a metal, right? So it's a metal, it's a brown and bright element, so we need to have a background information that most of the metals are silvery gray in color, but there are certain which are colored also, like gold is yellow, right, and copper is reddish brown. So brown and bright, so according to me, according to the options given over here, like copper is the only option over here left. So let's write the equation just to prove it. So X reacts with oxygen to form a black substance, that is Y. So if hydrogen gas is passed over this, so Y reacts with hydrogen, so we get X again. So let's try to do with copper. So copper reacts with oxygen to form CuO, this is copper oxide. So the charge over here is +2, and this copper oxide is black in color. So there are two oxides of copper. One is Cu2O, this is called as cuprous oxide, or we can even write in the Roman symbols copper with the charge, that is 1. So this one is very much red in color. This is also called as ruby copper. Then we have CuO, which is black in color, and this is called as cupric oxide. We can even write in the Roman symbols copper with the charge 2 oxide. So now again, copper oxide, if it is reacting with hydrogen, so it's a sort of displacement happening. So you will get copper and water over here. So we are getting the element X again. So X is copper and Y is copper oxide. So this is the correct option, this one.